Alright everybody, it's time to do some welding. Yes, this is my cheap Chicago Electric Harbor Freight Special, I guess you'd call it. 90 amp flux core welder. Before you guys, trash it and say it's horrible and all that other stuff, I've done a bunch of welding with it. Yeah, my weldings are not all that great, but you know what? They're solid and they work. And stuff, all except for one little pot, has been fine. And the reason why it didn't weld very well is because the pot was way thicker than the thing could handle anyways. So here we go. I can't hold my phone and weld at the same time, so hopefully when I come back to this, I'll at least have this all tacked in and go from there. Alright gang, it's all tacked in for now. It's the best I can do for a flux core. Now the real fun is to weld all around, and pull the pins out and weld the holes up. And I'll be back when it's all done. Alright, some of it's done. I'm about to pull a whole bunch of these pins out because I don't need them anymore. And at this point they're just getting in my way, so yeah, so that's what we got so far. Alright, making great progress. Don't laugh at my welds, but I got a little bit of cleanup to do, but other than that, so far so good. Alright, back at it. That's the rest of it. Alrighty. Well, I gotta change the welding wire reel in my machine. Yeah, so far it's taken a pound to do this. Other than that, I'm like 3/4 of the way done. Most of the pins, if you notice, are out. All the holes are welded shut, most of them anyways. And well, that's it. I need to take a break anyways, and well, hopefully shouldn't be much longer than another hour or so and I'm completely done. Well, after replacing the reel and welding, yeah, that's all the slag that's left. The rest of it's done. All done. Finally. So that completes all the metal work on this. Next is body. And I'm going to have an extensive amount of body work to do. Alright, that's it for now.